Good morning, my name is Matthew Padella. I'm with North Trail RV Center here in South Florida, and I'm here to introduce the all-new 2019 Dutch Star. It's been all redesigned this year, and it comes with a couple available chassis features. You can get a Spartan chassis, or you can get it on a Freightliner chassis. And this one here is the XCR Freightliner chassis. Independent front suspension here in the front. Huge 365 size tires. Going to give you an exceptional ride. Down below here in the basement has the optional refrigerator freezer combination on a slide tray. You also have slide trays underneath here which are accessible from either side. Little handy tool pegboard. This also has the exterior TV, Sony Bravia 4K with Bose soundbar. If you also notice too, these are the optional Nova Gerard awnings. They even have power awnings too over the side windows. Another feature here down below is your passive steer tag axle. That is available on the Freightliner chassis and the Spartan chassis. And the 450 Cummins ISL motor, 1,250 foot-pounds of torque, easy to access, easy to view because of that side draft radiator. This also has 15,000 pound towing capacity. Another feature on the 2019 Dutch Star is your emergency escape door. You'll find these mostly in the rear baths. Easy to open, easy to get out of the coach in an emergency if you needed to. Water bay, this one actually has the optional RV SantaCon system in it. Exterior shower, everything is labeled, very easy to use. You've got your 50-foot, 50-amp power cord and the Oasis hydronic zone heating system. AGM batteries on a slide tray, so they're easy to inspect and put right back in. If you look up there, on there, you'll notice that camera. There's quite a few of them all around the coach, which will give you a bird's eye view, the top of the motorhome. You'll be able to see all the way around it. Underneath on the 43 foot is a 10,000 Onan generator. We also option in a hot water line off the Oasis system off to the front compartment, so it'll be easy to wash the coach and get those front bugs right off of it. Welcome to the interior of the new 2019 Dutch Star. This is again the 4369 floor plan. Beautiful open floor plan. And you notice there's not a stitch of carpeting in this motorhome. It is full tile throughout. This is the all-new Moore slide, which actually was developed in 2016. This slide room comes up and comes straight in. It doesn't even touch the floor. This is all flex steel furniture throughout the Dutch Star. This is the cobblestone interior with the Bermuda glazed high gloss woodwork. Sony Bravia 4K televisions. This is a 49 inch, and up in front you'll have a 43 inch. This is a bath and a half floor plan. So you got a mid bath and then a huge full bath, which we'll get to here shortly. And rather having holes in the ceiling throughout the coach, Newmar's ductwork runs underneath these panels. So you're not looking at all that plastic ductwork all the way down the center of the motorhome. You also have the Bose soundbar, so no speakers in the ceiling to worry about. This is the all-new stainless steel sink for the 2019 Dutch Star. It's a dual sink, stainless steel. We also have, being that this is an all-electric coach, induction cooktop with workstations here on the back so you can cut up your vegetables and actually have something cooking here on the stove. And there's two things we never cook in our motorhome, fish and bacon, right? Well, you can unplug this, take it right outside, put it on your picnic table, and not have to stink up your motorhome. This also has the kitchen window. This is actually a nice view here of your patio area. And on this floor plan too, we have the extension. So it gives you a nice working area here. Newmar does a Whirlpool stainless steel refrigerator, residential, water dispenser, and ice maker. You also have the Fisher-Pagel dishwasher. All the pantries this year are lit pantries when you open the door. These are all adjustable shelving too throughout. This has the king bed option. His and her wardrobes here in the back bedroom. This one's also equipped too with the heated floor option. Newmar also changed their privacy doors this year. Beautiful glass, smoke glass feature. Also their accent lighting behind the bedroom and along the pillars here on the slide. Full storage underneath with your two chairs that go along with the dinette. Beautiful Whirlpool stacked washer dryer, double sinks in the 4369 floor plan, and a full wardrobe across the back. This is the egress door I mentioned to you from outside. Easy escape from the back, and an enormous shower here in the back bathroom. This also has the cathedral ceiling, so it gives you an additional 6 inches of height here in the rear bathroom. If you notice, the passenger seat's actually larger than the driver's seat. Nice little buddy seat, so you can carry your pet with you. They're also heated seats, and they're also recliners, so you can sit here comfortably, watch TV in a nice reclined position. Up here too, in the 2019, Newmar has added a phone charging system, so you can actually just lay your phone on that and charge it up. And throughout the coach, there's USB ports and all the plug outlets. The driver area in this coach is amazing. For 2019, Newmar has added the all-new digital dash. Very easy to read, easy to see, and very easy to use. Your comfort drive feature, that is a patented system with Newmar. As I mentioned also too, that 360 camera feature. So actually this is the screen that's showing here. You can actually see all the way around the motorhome just at a glance. You also have the power window feature here in the Dutch Star that is now standard this year. So push of a button, pulling up the tow boost makes it real easy. And everything is easy reach. Newmar has also put for the driver one of those charging pads too, so you can just put your phone up here. It's not going to slide around, just set it there and it'll charge. Thank you for taking the time with me today to take a look at the all-new 2019 4369 Dutch Star. Again, my name is Matthew Padella, and if you'd like more information about this coach, or if you'd love to make an appointment with me to come down and take a look and take a test drive, you can reach me at 239-896-2253. And again, my name is Matthew Padella with North Trail RV, and I look forward to seeing you soon.